What's up, YouTube? Today we are looking at the 22 in Redstone and the 19 in Sandbar Stag. It's been a while since I've snagged any Sandbar Stag from GEC. I mean, it's pretty hard to get a hold of them regardless, but... It's not the same blade, but it's close. Got them all oiled up. We're gonna take a look at them up close, even closer. I'd say about the same length, just different, slightly different blade shapes. But these are like solidly alike. This is gonna be a short video. You can already tell. So yeah, when I said last video about these guys, the 22s, that they are very much like the 19s, whoa, I had no idea how close I was to being spot on. Do I think the 22s are somehow not worth picking up? I don't believe that. I honestly think, especially if you're scoring at around 100, that this is a great buy. Even 150, I think that this is a great buy. There's really just no reason not to get one, especially at a low price. They would make a great user if I used such things. I do not. Well, I mean, these are not. I've done videos about my GEC users, so please. The people that always wag their fingers, you should use everything. It's like, what are you talking about? Anyway, that's about all she wrote for this one. Thanks for sticking with me to the end. Don't forget to have a great rest of your day. Bye now.